Hello everyone, this is Ankita Bhoir and my coordinator's name is Neha Koran Alnashtangi. We are studying in second year D Pharmacy in Shivaji Rao S. Zonere College of Asangaon. Our topic name is Pharmacy and Healthcare System guided by Dr. Nitin Mohire, Principal and Professor of our college and Miss Ashwini Bagle ma'am. History of pharmacy and healthcare system. During the Vedic time, medical treatment was associated with the religious services in India. Hindu medicines begins with the Atharva Veda, which contain the list of disease with the symptoms in the form of indications. Rigveda, many medicinal herbs are described and water is used as the best cure of the most disease. In the Vedic time, the physician and surgeons live in the garden houses and cultivated the regarded medicinal plants. Sushruta and Charaka, two great names of Ayurveda. Charaka composed a book of information on the Ayurvedic medicines called as Charaka Sushruta, which is still used in India. 18th century, the system of medicine were advanced with the time. Hospital organization is work with the aim of attaining, maintaining and promoting the health of the nation. The health professionals such as clinical practitioner, nurse, technician, medical, social worker, dentist and pharmacist etc. are together referred as a healthcare team. Allopathic system of medicine was introduced by the British when they ruled India. Pharmacy education was started. Some pharmaceutical associated were also formed. The tendency to specialization has affected the separation of pharmacy from the medicine. With the developing trends in science and technology, pharmacist responsibility is increased to give the information to the prescriber and the patient regarding to the use, side effect, etc. of the such drugs in related with the public health. Pharmacist is legally held responsible for the quality of products which he distributes. Because the distribution activity, all drugs be registered to the pharmacist. As per discussion held at the British Pharmaceutical Conference in 1963, pharmacist is regarded a expert on drug. The medical practitioner is concerned with the diagnosis and treatment. Role of pharmacist: academic pharmacist, industrial pharmacist, hospital pharmacist and community pharmacist. Academic pharmacists are engaged in the education, pharmaceutical practice and research in the school pharmacy. Industrial pharmacist: research and development, manufacturing of drugs, quality assurance and quality control of the drugs, patent application and drug registration, clinical and post marketing, providing drug information to members of the health professional and public. Hospital pharmacist: outpatient clinic, drug dependency treatment facility, poison control center, drug information center. Community pharmacist: most accessible to the public, they supply the medicines according to the prescription. We are thankful to our President Dr. Shivaji Rao S. Zonre, Secretary Owner Dr. Geeta Khare, and Principal Dr. Nitin Mohire sir for encouraging and guidance of the efficient use of social media to spread the knowledge. Thank you.